I'm Nabeel Kaukab. I'm the founder and CEO of Jaan Health. We are the company behind Phamily, the first AI to manage patients with chronic diseases between office visits. And my leadership tip is one around culture. Most CEOs and leaders believe that culture is everything, and you want a great culture, but they also believe that cultures can be built. And I'm going to go with the perspective that culture is not something you can build or teach as much as one you select. You can teach knowledge, you can teach skills, and even beliefs, but you can't teach values to adults. And to me, culture is something that naturally emanates from the values that you select when you hire people, when you bring them onto your team, and when you promote people. If you promote people who are focused on mission, focused on ambition, focused on teamwork, you will have an organization and a culture that values and prioritizes teamwork and mission. If you focus on people or you select people whose core values are the self, are economics, are personal gain or power, you'll have an organization where it is every man or woman for themselves. Um, you know, there's a famous Herb Keller quote: "Culture is what happens when people aren't or the values and the behaviors that are demonstrated when people aren't looking." Um, I love that. I love that quote, but I take it a step earlier. Culture to me is a byproduct of who you interview for and who you promote, and the values that they hold, because those values are going to carry through no matter what job they have, no matter what type of role they're in, or what background they've got. If you're a good person and you're a person who believes in teamwork and mission, whether you are working for a not-for-profit or you're working on Wall Street, your values will carry through.
Yeah, no, great top tip. I love it, and I've seen that actually happen in actual fact. So, Nabeel, thank you very much for being on the Inspiring Leadership Podcast. Good luck with your business and making a difference to the world of health and how we get that kind of support. So we are dealing with these chronic diseases. I've really enjoyed our conversation. Thank you.
Jonathan, thank you. It was my pleasure, and look forward to hopefully someday speaking with you again. Take care.